A very warm greetings to all our viewers. I think after the hectic activities witnessed during the week of 3rd June, which was the election results week, market just took rest. It was in the resting mode last week, the whole of last week, went into a deep slumber. It was a pretty much sleepy kind of market. And for the new way followers, that makes it a little bit more difficult to say that, which way it will move. But we have Hussain, who has significant expertise in this particular domain. And let's hear from Hussain how he sees the market for the coming week. So, Hussain, over to you.
Thank you, sir. I wish I had a lot to tell you this week, but I think you hit it on the nail. When market goes sideways, there is only speculation, or you will only assume certain things. But till the price action does not prove your assumptions, आपके पास इतना सारा option नहीं रहता. I'll just mark out, sir. We had met on Friday, 7 June, which was this big green candle over here. Let me just mark it out. You will see it over here, Friday, 7th June.
Yeah.
Market was very robust, sir, in that week after the fall and the rise. As a thumb rule, we expected some continuation, and we had spoken that if the market continues to the top side, there is a chance कि ये जो wave है ना, शायद तो वो change हो जाएगा.
Right.
लेकिन सर वो हुआ नहीं. The market opened a little gap up, but फिर वापस नीचे की तरफ आ गया. I will take you on a 75-minute time frame. I'm just adjusting my chart for a little bit of visual appearance.
Sure, sure.
I think this is good. ठीक है? चलो. So this was our Monday candle. I will mark it down here and take this one out on Friday. There we go. ठीक है? This was our 9:15 candle on Monday. Market had shown some strength to the top side, but towards the end of the day, we had some, I mean, a big red candle. अभी आप कुछ भी बोल लीजिए इसको, थोड़ा booking बोल दीजिए, थोड़ा downside action बोल दीजिए. So the thing was through the week, that is again on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm going to take my brush tool just to mark it out. This candle on Wednesday, this one on Thursday, and this one on Friday.
Right.
Sir, हुआ क्या that we continue to make successive highs, और Monday का जो high था ना, वो 3 बार sir टूट गया.
Yes, yes.
Okay. In essence, market drifted to the top side, although it was only the total movement was between 220 points, but still there was drift to the top side.
Correct.
A drifting market is to the top side drift is still considered as the market showing strength. So visually देखेंगे ना, तो ये हमें, I'll just remove this trend line for a second. So visually हम देखते हैं ना, तो ये हमें एक flat pattern जैसा लगता है.
Yes.
We had a mono wave to the downside, which we will call wave A. There was a subdivided or a corrective wave to the top side. It was stronger than the move to the downside, and hence this would be a flat with a strong B.
Yeah.
Sir, ये जो wave नीचे आया है, after the, there's a reason we have put this as C. Is because this high was again broken on Friday. I'm going to just mark that out to you. This high was broken on Friday, which tells me that this wave is over. ये जो नीचे की तरफ आया था, as per neo wave rules, it is considered as done. If I consider, sir, this as a flat, I would first want to look for stage 1 and stage 2 confirmation. Stage 1 confirmation मुझे यहाँ मिला as soon as this high of this purple line was taken out. And hence, based on the price action that I have, my case 1 will still stay that of continuation.
Yep.
I would want to see prices continuing to the 0B trend line. That is this purple highlighted line. I will just make it thicker so you can observe it. I would like to see this line break to the top side. If that happens, somewhere around 23,700 plus minus 50 points is something what I would be looking at. I'm also going to take a case 2, sir. And the reason I'm taking that is, Monday का जो opening price होएगा ना, उस पे बहुत कुछ depend होता है. अगर ये ऊपर की तरफ open होता है, तो obviously we will see some continuation. अगर ये यहां से डाउन साइड आ गया, समझो फॉर अ सेकेंड, क्या होगा सर? I would have had only stage 1 confirmation. I would not have got stage 2 confirmation.
Correct.
Now I'm just drawing some probabilities कि शायद मार्केट ऐसे चली जाए, फिर शायद ये ऐसे आ जाए. Keeping it simple, sir, अगर ये फ्लैट पैटर्न जो मुझे अभी दिख रहा है, if it does not give me two-stage confirmation, I will move on to the next pattern and this might turn into a triangle. अगर ये ट्राइंगल बनता भी है ना सर, दिस लेवल ओवर हियर, एंड आई विल जस्ट रीड इट आउट फॉर यू, 23,334 is an extremely important level for me.
Right.
Let me explain why. Sir, in any triangle, wave C cannot be the shortest. अभी आप विजुअली देखेंगे सर, this is my wave A, this is my wave C.
Correct.
You can visually tell that wave C is smaller than wave A, and hence wave E cannot be larger than wave C.
That's right.
This level over here of 23,334 for this reason is extremely important to me. If I see the prices dip somewhere here, I might still consider this as a triangle. But as soon as it breaks 23,334, I will throw triangle out of the window and we may have a further dip somewhere in this zone.
Right.
Which is 23,200.
Yes.
The market may further drift to the downside. I'll just sum this up, sir. My case one is for continuation. I would be looking for break of the zero beat trend line and then further movement to the top side, somewhere around 23,700 to 750. If at all this 23,334 is broken, we might come to the downside somewhere around 23,200. I would keenly be watching how it comes down. If it comes down slowly, okay, that's fine. If it comes down with thrust, this level also may be breached.
That's right.
In essence, sir, we have 2 weeks left for this month to get over. We also have a new government and a new budget date. It is a hunch. Obviously, we will talk about this further next week. My hunch is that sir, शायद तो अगला 2 हफ्ता भी मार्केट थोड़ा ऐसा ही बिहेवियर कंटिन्यू करे, थोड़ा फ्लैटिश, थोड़ा ड्रिफ्टी, इतना ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं, इतना ज्यादा नीचे शायद नहीं जाए.
So
This
you're
would be my
expecting a
analysis
range.
on Nifty.
You're expecting a range bound.
Pretty much, sir.
Right.
I mean, looking at last week, considering there is a major event going to happen in the first week of the next month.
Right. Right.
So in past also, sir, we have seen very draggy sideways action, indecisiveness. Zyada upar nahi, zyada niche
No,
nahi.
fair enough. I would just like to take 20 seconds to
Ji,
highlight
sir.
a few things which you mentioned. See, in even the previous videos and today, you beautifully broke it down. How do we go about analyzing the neo wave? Right? You talked about two-stage confirmation, and that is something which you have talked multiple times in our previous videos. So two-stage confirmation, people need to understand what do we mean by that, correct? We also talked about, the corrective wave is subdividing and analyzing that. You also talked about the triangle rules where the wave C cannot be the shortest of A, C, and E. So there are several rules, and there is a very structured way of analyzing neo wave. I would like to tell our viewers, because I get many DMs that many of the people want to understand deeper and they want to learn it. So now Hussein has a training program, and if you are interested, please put a message in response to our YouTube, and Hussein will get in touch with you, and you can attend his training program, because now he is having a very nice program where he's explaining all the things that we bring to you in the video. So just wanted our viewers to know about that.
Very kind of you, sir. Very kind of you. Thank you. So I'll
Yeah,
move
we
on
can
to
move
Bank
on.
Nifty.
Yeah, sure, sure.
So we'll just start with the day chart because that's where we had left off. And like, as you can see, sir, there is not much happening on these days. It was pretty much sideways. At least Nifty drifted up, Bank Nifty, and we will speak more about Bank Nifty on a 75-minute time frame. I'm just going to stretch my chart for easy viewing. There we go. So I'm going to mark out the Monday candle, which is over here, 9:15. We had made a high of 50,252. On Tuesday, sir, we had made a low of 49,530.
Yep.
So if you see from this high and this low, balance days, that is Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, sir, कुछ ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं. Market was just between this range of 50,252 and 49,530. Sir, again हम M1, M2 analysis करते हैं ना, यहाँ से सर जो start हुआ है, and let me just use the brush tool to make it a little easy to follow what I'm saying, and I'll switch off the candles. सर यहाँ से जो start हुआ है, सर जब तक ये निकलता नहीं है ना, I can't tell you that this leg is over.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, this is nothing but M1, M2 analysis,
Yeah. So again, the
basic foundation of
yes,
Neo.
yes, yes, and that is very apparent, and it's a great live example. You see the Nifty chart that Hussain just showed. There, he was saying that we are getting a confirmation that wave B is over because that was higher than the wave B, that 0 point, right?
जी सर, उधर का हाई निकल गया.
यहाँ पे you can clearly see that Bank Nifty mein that has not happened, and that is why he's saying that as per the wave rules or the mono wave rules, we cannot say that wave B is done with, right? So it's an important point, and that's a very fundamental of new wave. Please go
जी
on.
सर, नेट टू नेट क्या हुआ ना सर कि nothing new has happened. Market has just been range bound between the Monday high and the Tuesday low.
Yep.
अभी सर नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए हम बेस्ड ऑन दिस प्राइस एक्शन कुछ तो अज्यूम और कुछ तो एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना ही पड़ेगा, वरना हम क्या करेंगे, राइट?
Right.
So my stage one, क्योंकि not much has changed, I am still going to go for a continuation, right? Because nothing major has happened on this side also. यहाँ से मार्केट वापस ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में निकल गया, ठीक है? So my case one is, अगर ये 50,252, that is this purple line, यहाँ का high, ये निकल जाएगा, जो हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन था कि ये 0 point, and I'll switch on the candles, towards here and this zone and towards the 0 point over here, market may make a move over there.
Yeah.
सर अगर ये लेवल निकलता है 49,530, ठीक है, अगर ये लेवल निकलता है, there is a chance we may go somewhere towards 48,900 to 49,000.
Correct.
Again, I would keenly be watching कि अगर नीचे आया तो क्या ये थ्रस्ट और मोमेंटम में आता है, इसका फास्ट मोमेंटम है, तो फिर इसके नीचे भी हम जा सकते हैं. अगर स्लो आया सर, देखेंगे कि ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऑन अ लोअर चार्ट क्या हमें ऐसा एक रिवर्सल का पैटर्न मिल रहा है, then we will play for the top side.
Yeah.
This would be my analysis on BankNifty.
And that's very valuable because as a trader, I would say that, I would be in a short strangle if the market remains between 50,250 to say 49,500, right? Once any of those levels are broken, 52,250 on the upside, 49,530, 500 on the downside, then I'll switch to a directional, provided I see that there is a momentum there and it is not going painfully slowly. And that could give us anywhere between 600 to 1,000 point move, which is a fantastic move. If you're using any of the leverage strategy and you get 600 to 1,000 point move, you can make pretty decent profit. So right now, have patience. Don't try to preempt the market. Let either of the 50,250 or 49,500 get broken, and then you execute your strategy. Until then, you stay in a neutral strategy. Whatever I told you, short strangle. You have any other neutral strategy, be in that market neutral strategy. Yeah. So great. And I think we will have to wait and watch. And I think this week may give us better indication.
Ji.
So wishing all our viewers a very happy trading week ahead. And once again, a request for you to like and subscribe to our channel and share with the like-minded people. And of course, if you are willing to get deeper into this particular domain, then Hussain is there and you can reach out for the program. So thank you so much. We will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.